All right, now the markets are mixed, and we had a lot of data this morning. And first off, we had the weekly unemployment claims, and those claims dropped by 17,000 to 222,000. Now, continuing claims, they also fell. They fell by 4,000, and those numbers are 1.825 million. And then we had the big number, the CPI number, the inflation report, and that number actually declined month over month by 0.1%, and that number came in at 3% year over year. Now that's down from 3.3% recorded in May. So those are the right numbers that you want to see if you want to see the Fed cut rates. And it's looking increasingly likely that the Fed will indeed cut rates in September. But we'll see. As I've said, I'm not sure oil is going to allow that. And we're already seeing a lot of commodities spike on that CPI report. Now, we had earnings from a few companies. Pepsi is one of them. And their sales actually came in weaker than expected. And that stock is down almost 1.5%. And it's actually nearing a 52-week high. And they blame that weaker sales on a weaker U.S. consumer. And this is probably the third or fourth quarter that we've heard that same rhetoric from Pepsi. And we also had Delta Airlines report this morning. And they missed second quarter expectations despite record travel demand. Now that stock is getting punished and it's down actually near 6%. Now on some brighter news, Tesla is up for the 12th straight day. And this stock has been on a 1 month tear. It's now up almost 57% in 1 month. We're talking about 400 billion in market cap gained in 1 month. And that's insane, unreal. Now back to the inflation front. Costco announced yesterday they will be increasing their membership fees, and that'll be going up by $5, $10 for the executive membership. And on that CPI number, we had gold, silver, a lot of the commodities rally, spike hard. Gold is up more than $35, back over $2,400 an ounce, nearing its all-time high. And we have silver up 3/4 of a dollar, hitting near $32 an ounce. Platinum and palladium, they're up. Oil's pretty flat. Agricultural commodities, they spiked. Soybean, wheat, corn, they're all up. Orange futures have pulled back. But coffee, it's $1 or $2 away from its all-time high. And that commodity is now up 1%. Cocoa's up 3%, trying to climb its way back over $8,500 a ton. Cotton, milk, oats, they're all up. And this is the fear if the Fed cuts rate. They're going to send commodities soaring. And we're going to end up being back at square number one with high inflation. And right now, I'm telling you, the U.S. consumer cannot stomach that. More than half of this country is on a razor's edge of losing their car, having their lights turned out, and being put out on the street. Meanwhile, Wall Street, they're making in money. The buybacks, they're at historical records. The dividends, they keep increasing. And many of these stocks, they're going up 10, 20, 50% in 1 month. And billionaires, they're making more billions. But the little guy on the street, he's not making much. So the Fed, they're going to have to be real careful because the feet on the street inflation, that's not going down. That's rising. And to cut rates, you're just going to end up causing commodities to soar, inflation to rise. Now, this market's mixed. The NASDAQ's down pretty heavily, but we'll see what happens. This quick stock market commentary, please like and subscribe.